I'm Clayton with Midwest Block and Brick. I've been here 11 years in the Southwest Missouri region. I'm working with Jags here at a job site. They're doing a Grand Ledge job. They are a customer of mine that's a big believer in the Rosetta products. We jokingly have talked about once they do one Rosetta job, they're going to get them lined up after that, and that happened years ago, and they haven't slowed down since.
My name is Josh Gwinnett, primary owner of Jags Lawn and Landscaping. We started in 2017. Here at our facility, been here ever since. I've known Clayton for a long time. We've been buying a lot of material from them for a lot of years. They've provided us with a lot of our wall block material, pavers, all that good stuff, and they're just a great company to work for. Somebody local that we can contact if we have problems or issues and help us anything along the way that we might need. Over the years, our struggle was always to have a material that looked natural, but for us it was a matter of consistency for installation. A lot of the natural products are very inconsistent with, thicknesses and smoothness and that type of thing. So when the Rosetta line came along and provided us a way to use that, it was just so much easier to give the customer what they wanted and for us to have ease of installation as well and consistency. In general, I think that the Rosetta line is a very, very well designed and thought out product, and we've been very happy to utilize it in our company as something we can be proud of. We're selling to some of these higher end jobs and customers that really are looking for that something special in their landscape, that we can have this product to pitch to them. So I think it's a great line, and we've been very happy with it.